Hello, my name is Alan Croteau. I'm the principal owner of Rail Trail Village, and I want to thank everybody in the community for giving us the opportunity to do a lot with this building. And I would also like to thank a lot of the local businesses, the town, the fire department. Everybody has been wonderful, and I hope that everybody has a happy new year. We have a very exciting year ahead of us. We're bringing in 50 more new apartments will be coming online, and obviously we have many amenities around here. And again, the community has been absolutely wonderful. We are truly blessed to have this building and have the opportunity to do what we're doing. I would like to invite anybody who would like a tour, who used to work here when it was the Hitchner Manufacturing plant or the shoe shop, just come out and visit us. And I'd be more than happy to go on a tour. Thank you very much and Happy New Year, everybody.